I'm starting up the Batmobile.
Hey guys, this is Maximum X Gamer. I'm excited to bring you this fantastic toy, the U-Command Batmobile. This is from the recently released The Dark Knight Rising film franchise. Although the packaging is very similar to the previous released toys from this franchise, this particular toy has been made by a different company called Thinkway Toys and also DC. Now I've done a lot of reviews and I've covered quite a few toys and action figures from this particular film, and I can honestly say this is one of the best. There are other U-Command toy releases and I've very much enjoyed playing this, getting to grips with the different types of commands. As you can see on the left on the box, it's up to 1,000 command variations. The illustration does it no justice. This Batmobile tumbler is a monster. Words of advice though, you do need a lot of space to truly appreciate and use this remote control Batmobile. Now, much like the previously reviewed mini version of this same toy, that infrared remote control without the wires was very fast, and although I wasn't a big fan of the controls, I did actually appreciate the amount of detail that was put into the actual tumbler, and ultimately it was a pretty decent toy for the price. But this just blows it out of the water. I cannot say enough good things about this. I mean, as you can see here, there is so much detail put into the actual tumbler. Everything that you expect to see you have. The front two wheels are soft. They're designed to take impact. The side panels are very durable, and trust me when I say this, after using this for a few hours, this vehicle has been introduced to the wall at high speed and it's come off unscathed. So it's quite durable, and all the detail that you expect from a high-end toy, it's all here. It has the try me button at the top, which has quite a few phrases and driving commands, and as you can see from this panel, there's a program mode. There's different types of variations, up to 1,000 variation commands. There's so many phrases, there's so many default actions. The controller itself takes 3 AA batteries, and the Batmobile had batteries already included. There is an on and off command on the controller as well as the tumbler itself.
Stand clear. I'm starting up the Batmobile. The Batmobile is built for speed. The night belongs to me. I'm Batman. Nothing can stop the Batmobile. We have to stop Bane. Let's head downtown.
As I've said earlier, the front two wheels are designed to take the impact. The back tyres are very heavy and very good quality, as you expect from a high-end toy. And also, as you can see, there is so much detail in there. It's got the suspension. And at the base of the unit you have the on-off switch, and you have the try me button, and then you have the full play button. and when you press the try me button, you can see the rotation of the actual tyre. This is a toy which retails roughly around £60, and so it's not cheap. However, you get, and let me emphasize this, you get a lot for your money, and it's definitely worth having. In my opinion, I think this is the best toy release for the Batman The Dark Knight Rises franchise, except for the high-end figures like the Hot Toy figures. So, as you can probably tell, would I recommend this? Hell yeah. This is freaking awesome, and I just can't say enough good things about it. So, if you are going to, or if you're on the fence and you're not sure, run out and buy it if you can get hold of it. At the moment, it's retailing, as I said, around about £60 at Toys R Us. I was able to utilise their 20% off and get it for around about £48. However, it's still worth the 60 quid that they're asking for. So definitely go out and buy it if you can. This is definitely going to be one of the must-have toys and a collectible for the future. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to check out my other stuff, the other reviews for other toys. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Any comments appreciated. This is Maximum X Gamer signing out.
Mission accomplished.